Igbo Queen, yeah, Queen, yeah, Queen, yeah, chai, Kwezono, yo. Ndeewo, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. No, Ndeewo. Guys, so since live stream is not going, let me just, do this video this way because I've been trying to do live, but network is not friendly. Yeah, network is not friendly at all, so I just have to. Now the thing is still doing me it's still hot in my body to do this appreciation message video, so I just have to do it this way and send it to you. I'm not actually teaching anything in this video, but just to appreciate you for subscribing to my channel. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I know I told you guys that I'll be on live. Yeah, you should come and join me, but I've been trying everything possible. I've been trying to join, but network is frustrating me. But no, asimiamba, capital no, that I have to appreciate my viewers. I have to thank my viewers for all the encouragement all you people have been doing for me, viewing my videos, sharing my videos, liking my videos, commenting, subscribing. Like, it's not a small thing. I really appreciate it and I regard it. Like, I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Before I start doing this video, I had 113, I think 13 of, okay, I think, yeah, 115. I had 115, but I believe we'll get more subscribers after this video. And thank you so much. We all are going to be here and watch this family grow into millions. I promise you that. And I'm going to do my possible best to give you the best, okay? I'm not perfect. I'm just a human being. I'm a human being just like you. So that is why you have to comment. Tell me what you want to watch. Tell me what you want to watch. Comment in any video so that I will also learn from you. We learn together. Life is a lesson. We learn together. Yeah? So that's why you have to comment and also share my videos, because the more you share my videos, the more people recognizes my channel. That is just the simple truth. And liking my videos has a lot of... Okay, let me tell you one secret of liking a particular video. When YouTube discovered that a good number of people like a particular video, YouTube will recommend it to a larger audience. Yes. So please like my videos, and then thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for, following me. Like, it's like, I'm so grateful. I want hear the like, if you come on, if you post something like this and then come online after some minutes, after 1 hour, and then you will see people, you will see a lot of views, like people are viewing your videos. It's something to be appreciated. And I appreciate you for viewing my videos. I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for subscribing. Thank you so much. God bless you. God will provide for you. God will order your steps. God will grant all your heart desires. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. I really appreciate all you do for me. Okay? Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I don't know how to express... I don't know how to express how I feel at this point. But just believe me when I tell you that I'm happy. When I tell you that I'm excited, I see all you do for me. And I appreciate you. You know, when I was quite younger, yeah? When I was very, very young, I used to teach some set of people, some set of children. And then one day, the father to one of my students, bought a very big blackboard and packet of check for me. He told me, "Well done, teacher. Well done. Anytime your check finishes, don't hesitate to tell me." To show that he appreciates what I do and he loves what I'm doing. So that is why I'm appreciating you for liking what I'm doing. You viewing and subscribing my videos and subscribing to my channels you viewing my videos and subscribing to my channel shows me that you love what I'm doing. You get? And you fuel my passion to keep doing what I'm doing. Thank you so much. I'm not perfect, so that's why you have to tell me what you want to watch. Gwam ihe chọrọ ikiri. Tell me what you want to watch. I promise to give you the best. All right? Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much. God bless you. Like, I'm feeling very emotional. But just to tell you that I appreciate everything. Okay? I like sharing my knowledge with people. I like people to learn from you. And I like learning from people as well. Life is a lesson, isn't it? So we learn from each other. Okay? If you dislike any particular video, tell me why you dislike that video. Like I told you, I'm not perfect. I'm a human being just like you are. Nobody is perfect. So that's why when you dislike a particular video, tell me why you disliked it, what you don't like in that video, and what you want to watch, what you want to see in subsequent time. Do you get? I promise to update you. Yeah, so if this is your first time here, you are pretty much welcome. This is the right channel for you to learn Igbo language. Okay, here we help you get fluent with your Igbo language speaking. Yes, and my name is Onyinye, which means gift. So you can call me Onyinye, you can call me Onyi, you can call me Onyinyechi. So it means God's gift, Onyinyechi. Watch other videos and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, okay? And also like and share my videos. Thank you so much. Before I go, there is this song I would like us to sing. It's like when something good has happened to you, when God has done something good for you, then you can sing this song. I want us to sing it together. I want you to join me and sing it. Yeah, that's the right statement. So the song is an Igbo Christian song, right? When you are happy about something and you just want to sing and dance, you can go like this. So the song is Ihe mere dị mma. Ihe mere dị mma, which means what you have done is so good. Like you are talking to God. Do you get? What you have done is so good. Ihe mere dị mma. Chukwu ihe mere dị mma. Then your response will be Ihe mere dị mma. Ihe mere dị mma. Ihe mere dị mma. Ihe mere. So that is what you have done is good. What you have done is good. What you have done is good. Do you get? What you have done. Let's start. Ihe mere dị mma, ihe mere dị mma, ihe mere dị mma. Ihe mere dị mma, ihe mere dị mma, ihe mere dị mma, ihe mere. Chukwu ihe mere dị mma o. Ebube ọla elulu dị mma. Chukwu ihe mere dị mma. Daddy ihe mere dị mma, ihe mere dị mma. Ihe mere dị mma. Ihe mere dị mma. Chai! Ihe mere dị mma. So that is it, guys. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, okay? And thank you so much for watching my videos. And thank you so much for liking. And thank you so much for sharing. So keep doing that. It's only God that will reward you for everything you do. Let's grow this channel. Yes. Thank you for being part of this growth. Thank you for being part of this family. Thank you for being part of this community. And we are going to grow. We are going to push and grow this channel together. Okay? Thank you so much. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. You can watch other videos. I have a lot of videos, okay? And I promise to give you more videos that you will enjoy. Thank you. And Kodi ụbọchị ọzọ. Goodbye.